Hello my dear students, welcome to your GK class. Our today's topic is chapter 3rd, Friends with Feather. But before starting today's class, we will look at the previous class homework. In previous class, I had given you recognize these animals and write their names. Means मैंने कुछ जानवरों के पिक्चर दिए थे और उन्हें आपको पहचानना था और उनका नेम राइट करना था. सो फर्स्ट पिक्चर ऑफ porcupine. You can see here this is a porcupine. And next one is sea horse. Okay. And next is polar bear. And next one is this is moles. Okay. So now we will start our today's class. Today's class, there are some 2,000 of birds around. Some soar skywards while some are even faster than cheetah. Discover them yourself by filling in the crossword with the help of clues. There seem to be thousands of birds around. Some soar skywards while some are even faster than cheetah. It means on the earth various of birds. पृथ्वी पे अनेक प्रकार की पक्षियाँ हैं जिसमें से कुछ चीता से भी तेज हैं या कुछ बहुत ही तेज उड़ने वाली हैं. ओके. सो टुडे वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द बर्ड्स. सो in here firstly we look at the down. First one is the national bird of India. So you can tell easily which is the national bird of India. Yes, peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India. In first column we will fill peacock. The spelling of peacock P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Okay. And next is a large scavenger bird. A large scavenger bird. Scavenger means scavenger are animals that consume dead organisms that have died from causes other than predation. Means scavenger वो एनिमल होते हैं जो मरे हुए जानवरों को खाते हैं. ओके. सो द लार्ज स्कवेंजर इज अ vulture. The large scavenger is vulture. In second column we will fill vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E. You can see here the picture of vulture. This is a vulture and it is a large scavenger bird. Okay. Look at the fourth. In fourth, goosey goosey dash, water shall I wander. You can see here this is a poem. This is a poem. Goosey goosey gander, water shall I wander. So we will fill at the blank gander. So in fourth column we will fill gander. Here you can see here we will fill gander. The spelling of gander G-A-N-D-E-R. Okay. Do you know what is the meaning of gander? Gander means hunts. Gander means hunts. Okay. So we will look next. A New Zealander is also known by this bird's name. New Zealand is a country and the people of New Zealander is known by this name. So New Zealander is known by Kiwis. They are called kiwis because kiwi is the national bird of New Zealand. Okay, you can see here the picture of kiwi. This is kiwi. Okay, so we will fill in sixth column kiwi, KIWI. And next 7, the largest flightless bird. Largest flightless bird. Flightless bird means a bird that cannot fly. मतलब वो चिड़िया जो उड़ नहीं सकती. So the largest flightless bird is ostrich. In 7th number we will fill ostrich, OSTRICH. You can see here this is ostrich. It is very heavy bird, that's why they cannot fly. Okay, and next is a symbol of peace. Which bird is symbol of peace? So dove is symbol of peace. In 9th column we will fill dove, DOVE. Okay, so the picture of dove is, yes, you can see here, this is dove. Okay, it's called symbol of peace. So we'll look at the next question, and question number 10, the vehicle of goddess Saraswati. The vehicle of goddess Saraswati mean goddess Saraswati का वाहन कौन सा है? So we know the vehicle of goddess Saraswati is swan. The vehicle of goddess Saraswati is swan. So in 10th column we will fill swan, SWAN. You can see here this is a picture of swan. This is swan. Okay, and next number 12 is a bird that hunts at night and has good eyesight. So we know owl can hunt at night because they have good eyesight. So in number 12 column we will fill owl, OWL. Okay, so now we will look across. And number 3, a flightless bird of the Antarctic region that has a waddling walk. Flightless mean birds that cannot fly. They are called flightless bird. Okay, and waddling walk means डगमगाती चाल. So a flightless bird of the Antarctica region that has a waddling walk. So this is a penguin. You can see here this is penguin. Okay, so in 3rd column we will fill penguin. Here we will fill penguin. Spelling of penguin, PENGUIN. Okay, next number 5, a bird that lays eggs in the nest of other bird. A bird that lays eggs in the nest of other bird. एक चिड़िया जो अपने अंडे को दूसरे पक्षी के घोंसले में अपने अंडे को देती है. So we know this is cuckoo. Cuckoo. So in number 5 we will fill cuckoo, CUCKOO. Okay, and next number 8, a water bird with web-shaped feet. A water bird with web-shaped feet. Web-shaped feet means flat feet. So this is a duck. This is a duck. As we can see here, this is a duck and it has a web-shaped feet, means flat feet. Okay, so in number 8 we will fill duck, D-U-C-K. Okay, in 11 and last, a carrier of messages. So which bird is used to carrier of message? So we know this is pigeon, Pigeon. Okay, we can see here. Do you know? Flesh-eating birds such as eagle and vultures have strong and sharp claws called talons. Flesh-eating birds such as eagle and vultures have strong and short-clawed talons. And now it is your homework time. Your homework is you have to learn and write chapter 3, Friend with Feathers. You have to learn and write about these birds. Okay.